Welcome to 2022. I get this question all the time from entrepreneurs. Do I need a business plan? And the real simple answer is 100% yes. As an entrepreneur, regardless of the size of your business, you should have a business plan. So if you should have one, why do so few entrepreneurs create one? Well, I think there's a couple reasons. I think the first one is that I only need a business plan if I'm going to source financing or go to a bank or an angel investor or private equity or venture capital. That's not true. Yes, do you need a really solid plan to go and source money? Absolutely. I also think the other reason is that people become overwhelmed by a business plan because it's wrapped in this big scary box where you've got a whole bunch of stuff to do and a lot of pages to write and financials. Now, trust me, I've written those 20, 30, 40 page business plans, and it is a lot of work, and there's a dozen pages of financials at the end. But in all cases, you don't need that multi-page business plan. Now, have a workshop that I'm doing in January a few times, your 2022 business plan on one page in 1 hour. And during this event, I'm going to walk you through my strategy to create your one-page business plan on one sheet. And I'm telling you, we're going to do it in an hour. The dates of the events are January 12th, 20th, and 27th at various times. And if you're interested in learning more, go to thesavagesecrets.com/bizplan. You can register there. And during this workshop, I'm going to focus on three things. First off, the top 5 reasons why you really need a plan. 4 questions to ask when you're writing your plan, in the 5 areas of focus, the 5 key areas that we're going to concentrate on. Now, I'm not going to be able to get to all of the reasons why or all the questions, so I also have these 2 free ebooks that you can download once you register. There's 14 reasons why you need a business plan, and when you're writing it, 71 questions that you can ask. We're not going to go through all of those during the workshop. During the workshop, you're also going to get this free download where you're going to be able to fill in the blanks, the key questions that need to be asked, the 5 areas that you really need to focus on, and you get this free editable PDF once you register. So let's win big in 2022 together. Let's have some fun. Let's go build that business plan. Go to thesavagesecrets.com/bizplan, and I look forward to seeing you at the event.